10 Hidden Tips of Telegram Messaging. Please subscribe True Artist for more valuable tips coming soon. With the news of Facebook's acquisition of WhatsApp, all eyes are turning to alternate messaging apps. With its clean user interface and variety of features, it's no surprise that Telegram is getting a lot of attention. Unlike other chat clients, Telegram is cloud-based, which means you can seamlessly move your conversations between your smartphone, tablet, and even your desktop, thanks to independent developers. Telegram is more than just a messaging client, allowing users to enter secret chats that are encrypted end-to-end for extra security. You're also able to share more than just pictures and videos. Telegram lets you transfer documents or send your current location to a friend with the click of a button. Best of all, there are no ads and it's completely free. Okay, let's go into the topic, 10 tips for Telegram user. Tips 1. Chat folders. Chat folders is one of the best Telegram tricks that you should know and utilize to your maximum advantage. We follow so many channels and groups on Telegram of different kinds, not to mention the individual chats that go into the mix. Having all these chats in one panel makes things much harder to declutter and make sense of. So to solve this issue, Telegram has brought something called chat folders. This allows you to categorize your chats into different labels and Telegram sort things out for you. As a result, Telegram gets super clean and much easier to manage. Tips 2. Add nearby people and group. Last year, Telegram brought a unique feature that allows you to discover Telegram users and groups based on your location. This comes really handy when you want to add someone to your Telegram without sharing your mobile number. Also, if you are going to conferences, campuses or festivals, you can find several groups related to the place and event just like that. To add nearby people, open the Telegram menu and go to Contacts. Here, tap on Add People Nearby and there you have it. Tips 3. Edit sent messages. Does it ever happen that you send a message and within a few seconds you find out a glaring typo? Well, there is an edit button to save you on Telegram, but not so much on Twitter. All you have to do is select the message and tap on the edit pen icon at the top and you can easily edit the message. You can only edit messages up to 48 hours of sending them, forever if the messages are posted in your saved messages chat. Tips 4. Send silent messages. There are times when we know our close ones studying, sleeping, or attending meetings, but we want to send some messages without disturbing them. Well, there is a feature called silent messages on Telegram. Basically, you can send messages and it will not make any sound or vibration even if the recipient has not turned on DND. That's great, right? So to use this feature, type out your message and then tap and hold the Send button. Here, choose Send without sound and you are done. Tips 5. Schedule messages. For power users, scheduling is a great way to achieve many tasks at a given time. We already use email scheduling a lot, but it's awesome to see Telegram bringing this feature for messages as well. As you saw above, you can schedule a message just by pressing and holding the Send button. Here, choose Schedule Message and pick the date and time. The message will be sent at your preferred time. Tip 6. SelfDestruct Media in normal chats. SelfDestruct is a popular feature on Telegram, but it has been limited to the separate secret chat option only. However, with the recent update, now you can self-destruct media like photos and videos on normal chats too. Just select a photo or video and then tap on the Timer button. Now, you can choose the time after which the media will be deleted from everywhere. Tip 7. Add animated stickers to images, videos. Yes, with the recent update, now you can add animated stickers of Telegram on both images and videos. We all love Telegram's high-quality animated stickers and now you can bring life to still images using these popular animated stickers. However, keep in mind, after adding stickers, images will turn into GIFs and might lose some quality. So to use this feature, just select your image, video and tap on the brush icon at the bottom. After that, tap on the sticker icon and add animated stickers to your media. Tips 8. Quick GIF and YouTube search. So you want to quickly send a GIF or a YouTube link without leaving the Telegram app? Just type at GIF or at YouTube and enter your search query. Instantly, you will find the desired results in the chat screen itself. That's absolutely great, and we love to see this kind of deep third-party integration with popular services. Tips 9. Slow mode. If you are a group admin on Telegram, slow mode is what you need to stop unnecessary spam and make the conversation more orderly. After you turn on the slow mode and choose the time interval, group members will have a restriction to send one message in the defined interval. Say, for instance, if you choose the time interval to be 15 seconds, after sending one message, the group member will have to wait 15 seconds to send another message. It will definitely raise the value of each member and individual messages. You can turn on slow mode by tapping on the group name to edit pen icon to permissions to slow mode. Tips 10. Create timestamp for videos. Just like we can share videos with a predefined timestamp of YouTube videos, we can do the same thing on Telegram as well. For example, if you are sending a long video and want the user to play it from a specific timestamp, say 1:20, you can just type "check the reaction at 1:20" in the video caption. Now when the user taps on the highlighted 1:20 link, the video plays from that particular timestamp. This is a helpful tip for users who send videos on Telegram regularly. Hopefully with few tips given, now you better understand the flow of Telegram messaging, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. True Artist.